Here we're going to look for something called Avogadros numbers. Avogadro number, which is Avogadros numbers. And if you say a mole of anything, one mole of something, one mole of anything contains fixed number, that is fixed numbers of particles, that is 6.02 times 10 power 23 of particles. So any mole of anything contains these particle numbers, and these numbers are the ones that we call Avogadros numbers. Now, one mole of anything, this is the amount of substance. It's the amount of substance that contains Avogadros number, which is the amount of substance that contains 6.02 times 10 power 23 particles, which is Avogadros number. So one mole contains these particle numbers of atomic numbers, and these atomic numbers are what we call Avogadro numbers. So one mole is equals to 6.02 times 10 power 23 particles, which is the Avogadro number.